how this process works here?
No.
One word for James, one word for the lovely Nicole. Then pick one word that really encapsulates both of them.
Arnold, tell me, if you had one word to describe Jim Vassallo, what would it be?
One word in James Vassallo.
James would be hungry.
Hungry all the time.
Hungry.
Hungry, that's a very descriptive word for Jim.
When you say hungry, is there really some sort of other meaning behind that, or do you actually just mean he wants to eat again?
He's usually hungry.
Jim is amazing.
Jolly.
Jolly.
One word for Jim. Actually, I just spoke with Jim, and he told me to use the word social pariah.
I think I'd say fun.
But instead of using that for real, I will use baseball. I remember during the 2008 playoffs, he almost got me kicked out of my condo because he was so loud, he and I were saying some very unsavory things about the Phillies at the time.
One word to describe Jim is obnoxious.
I think I'd have to go with miserable.
Cranky.
I would describe him as funny.
Funny guy. Jim is caring.
All right, one word to describe Jim is passionate, no matter what it is, whether it's food, baseball, or you name it. And obviously Nicole, he's passionate about whatever he does.
Great friend, great person, great eater. Everyone knows that.
One word to describe Jim, I would have to say hungry, because I don't think I've ever seen him not hungry.
But for Nicole, if I say that
Hungry
she's
for
sweet,
love? Is he
then
hungry
together,
for love?
let's just hope that he doesn't try and eat her.
That would probably be the best case scenario. But the over-under among the bridal party is over under 3 weeks. Do you have the over or the under of Jim eating Nicole?
The eating? I'm going to take the under.
Oh, clearly, we'll take the under.
One word to describe Nicole is...
Describe Nicole in one word.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay. So now one word to describe Nicole.
Did he already do that?
Didn't he already say sweet?
Sweet? Okay. So how about together?
Why are you
together?
here?
I'm here to
We're gonna
interview.
take over from that from now on.
If I had to describe Nicole in one word, it would be sweet.
It'd be beautiful.
And Nicole's wonderful.
Patience for Nicole. Patience.
Well, if she's with Jim,
You can't say enough. Jim.
She's a saint.
Jim is, yes, Saint is tremendous as well. Jim is Jim.
One word to describe Nicole would be lovable. She's lovable.
Hi guys, if I had to describe Nicole in one word, it would be happy.
He's happy.
Because even when she's angry, it doesn't even seem like that. It seems like she's always happy and smiling.
Okay, one word to describe Nicole would be very bubbly.
Bubbly.
Nicole, caring. I don't think I've ever seen Nicole without a smile on her face.
Nicole, caring. I'd say chipper.
If I had to describe Nicole with one word, I'd definitely say pink.
Would have to be sweet. She's a sweetheart. Love you, Nicole.
You know, he's a little loud sometimes, and Nicole just sits there, supports him, does her thing. Just very unfazed, cool customer.
It's a big support.
Yes. Well, yes, she is very supportive, which for him, that is asking a bit much.
But what do you think about the future here? Do you really see this, I see it, good things in the future. Your thoughts?
I agree. I'm kind of campaigning for a baby in 9 months. Nicole says no. We'll see what happens. But I think they got good stuff coming.
How many kids do you say?
Well, Jim wants a baseball team, so 9?
9. But you do need bench players. Keep in mind. You
12.
can field a team of 25?
I think they can do it.
All right.
I feel confident.
Good luck, guys.
Like they said, I know you want a baseball team. Nicole, good luck with those 9 kids. He's got a big head.
Give us grandkids, but not real soon, okay?
Pick one word that really encapsulates both of them.
Together they're perfect.
Both of you together, I'm going to say perfect.
And them together is explosive.
And if I had to describe them both, I'd say loud. Loud, yeah.
Nicole and Jim together are gregarious.
And for them together, I'd say special.
And I think the two of them together are really perfect. You know, when I first met them both, I kind of didn't see how they could fit together, but it's unbelievable. I don't think two people could be more perfect for each other. So I love you guys.
They really are perfect together. They're always smiling when they're with each other. They're really a perfect match. Congrats, Nicole and Jim, and good luck in the future.
Together, they're amazing. Together, they are happy. Together, they are very happy.
Passionate. And I love them both very much.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. James Vassallo.
We love you, Jimmy.
We love you, man.
I love you. I love both of you. That's what I said.
I wish them the best, and I hope they're together forever.
We're having a great time. The bus was so much fun. The ceremony was gorgeous. And lots of good times to come. I love you guys. Congratulations. You're the best.
And congratulations, guys. I love you.
And Nicole and Jim, I love you guys. Congratulations. And good luck.
So excited, and I really hope you name your first girl Felicia. I'm kind of expecting that. So
I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations, and I wish you all the happiness in the world.
Best wishes in your life together. You're a wonderful couple, and I'm sure you'll have a loving relationship full of happiness and joy.